Now, if you look very, very closely, and it's hard to see, but if you look right on the edge right there, you're going to see a very, very teeny tiny resistor. Now, this is one of the OEM boards. It's not the exact identical board, but you'll see there's no exposed resistors around where the LEDs are. So the heart of the problem is right here. You've got your plastic light guide. You've got two light guides that come up. You've got one that comes up on this side to collect the light from the LED. You have one on this side that comes up to collect the light for the LED for the center. So in this position, and I've got the OEM board in right now, as you can see, there's no resistor on that edge. So unless you're extremely careful, and I mean incredibly careful, when you fit this down into place, which I can just do very simply just like that, you will scrape this resistor off. Now, I've definitely spoken with some folks who followed my other video, had no problem, and installed it on first attempt. They did great. I'm speaking to a greater and growing number of people that are starting to scrape that resistor off. They don't understand why it's failed, and I have to tell them, well, you're just like me in this case. You scrape the resistor off. There's no solution other than buying a new board. So I wanted to share this with you guys in case you run into this problem, because I actually am really enjoying the half white, half yellow look, but I also do want to switch to the full yellows, like the CSLs. But as we talk through this, and this is my sixth board, so here's where we're going to come up with a solution if you've got this problem, and I'm going to do this before I install it. There's no coating at all over this resistor. There's no protector. There's nothing to help keep that from getting scraped off, and it's extremely delicate. When you scrape that resistor off, you won't even feel it come off. It'll just scrape straight off. It kind of puts a non-conductive kind of rubberized layer, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush it onto this corner. But I'm actually going to coat this corner of the board right here with that conformal coating to make sure that it works. Okay?